If you're looking for a text-to-speech tool that's simple, natural, surprisingly versatile, NaturalReader might be the perfect reading companion. NaturalReader is a text-to-speech app that reads PDFs, Word docs, emails, and even web pages aloud using realistic AI voices. It's available on desktop, browser, and mobile. It's one of the few tools with both personal and commercial use options. So before I let you go, let's do a quick demo of NaturalReader's actual reader. So this is like sort of the demo script that they have, and this is the voice of the listener. If we scroll down below, you can see a transcript. But you can't see it on the window right here. But there's basically like a written transcript of exactly what the reader is going to read. But if we press play.
Welcome to NaturalReader AI Text-to-Speech, the easiest way to turn any text into audio.
And you can change the listener. This is, of course, the easy mode, the free one. Let's try Lola.
Welcome to NaturalReader AI Text-to-Speech, the easiest way to turn any text into audio.
Oh, she sounds a lot better. All right, let's try Andrew.
Welcome to NaturalReader AI Text-to-Speech, the easiest way to turn any text into audio.
Seems very functional. The strength here is clarity and voice quality. NaturalReader's premium voices sound polished, and it supports multiple languages with surprisingly good pronunciation, especially for learning or accessibility. You can upload scanned documents or images and have it extract and read the text using OCR. There's a solid free version, but premium and plus plans unlock better voices, faster speeds, and unlimited use. Premium starts at around $10 to $20 a month, and there's also a NaturalReader commercial plan, which lets creators use the voices for YouTube, e-learning, and audiobooks without licensing issues. It doesn't have the flashy voice cloning or deep AI customization of tools like 11 Labs, and while voices are solid, a few still sound a bit synthetic at higher speeds. Also, while it handles most file types, browser extension functionality is limited compared to something like Speechify. So NaturalReader is clean, reliable, voice quality is strong, especially for students, educators, or anyone who wants to listen instead of read. It's not as trendy as newer AI tools, but it absolutely gets the job done. Do you want me to compare it to Speechify or 11 Labs next? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to hit like if this helped, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.